Here's a quick tutorial on how to use Tiny Scanner to make a PDF file. So I have a app called Tiny Scanner. Let's open that up. Alright, hit the plus sign to add a document. And then I just have something that says test page, right? So it's just a handwritten document. Snap a photo. It should automatically align the corners, but if not, you can drag around. Okay, so it actually had it aligned properly to begin with, but if it didn't, you can drag the edges like I'm doing here. Say done, and then I go into my options. Let's see, if I click on that button, it tries to take a photo of it. It looks black and white, but it's actually recording too much data. If I click on grayscale, no, I don't want a grayscale photo either. That's what I want, black and white. So it's going to be a big file if you click grayscale, even bigger if you go in color, but if you click on black and white, then you've got what you're looking for. So we can add a title to it. Call this Unit 4.1 Notes. Done, and save. And then from this point you can email it to yourself, or there's a lot of different ways that you can export it. If you click the share button, then you can throw it in a Dropbox account, Google Drive, email, you name it. If you click the email button, then you can just send it as an attachment to yourself or anybody else. Send it straight to me, I suppose.